The average professional spends about 90 minutes a day on email. Most of that isn't writing, it's sorting, deciding what matters. Today, we're going to show you a workflow that cuts those 90 minutes to about 20, using one AI prompt run twice a day. No code, no new tools you don't already have. We're the Cynked team. We help everyday humans and small businesses get real value from AI, the kind that compounds, not the kind that gives you another tab to manage. This is beyond the prompt. Practical AI workflows you'll actually use. Here's the trap. You open your inbox to 60 emails. 8 of them actually need a thoughtful reply. The other 52 need to be acknowledged, filed, or ignored, but you can't tell which is which until you read them. By the time you've sorted them in your head, an hour is gone, and you haven't written anything that matters. The problem isn't that there's too much email. The problem is that the sorting, the deciding what matters, is the part eating your day. And sorting is exactly what AI is good at. Here's the workflow. Step 1, copy a batch of emails. Step 2, paste them into Claude or ChatGPT with one specific prompt. Step 3, AI sorts them into 4 buckets. Reply now, reply later, FYI, delete. Step 4, for the reply now bucket, AI drafts your replies in your voice. You edit, you send. Total time for 60 emails? About 20 minutes. Let's run it. We've prepared a sample inbox with 12 emails. Some need responses today, some are FYI, some are obvious filings. Step 1 is just selecting the batch. You don't need to read them carefully yet, just grab the subjects and the first few lines. The AI does the reading. There are faster ways to do this with Gmail filters or a Claude integration. We'll cover those in a future video, but for now, copy and paste is fine. Step 2, paste into your AI tool with this prompt. We use Claude. Works the same in ChatGPT or Gemini. The prompt does 4 things. It tells the AI what categories to use. It defines what counts for each category. It asks for drafted replies for the urgent ones. And it tells the AI what your voice sounds like. That's the line in brackets near the end. Hit enter. Notice what's happening. It's not just sorting. It's actively drafting replies for the urgent ones. The drafts aren't perfect. They're 80% there. That's the point. You edit. You don't write from scratch. Step 4. You go through the reply now drafts. First one needs a yes or no. The draft nailed it. Copy, paste, send. Second one, the draft missed the context. You rewrite one sentence. Send. Third one, fine as is. Send. On a normal day, 3 to 8 emails actually need real responses. The rest is filing or deleting. That whole process, 20 minutes, maximum. Here's the full prompt. We've put a copy-paste version in the description, and it's also in our free guide, link below. 2 things make this work. First, the labels are specific. Reply now, with a clear definition. Not important. Important is fuzzy. The AI needs categories with edges. Second, the voice sample. Without it, the drafts come back generic. Even a one-line description of your voice gets you to 80%. A few real emails you've written pasted in gets you to 95. That voice sample is the single biggest unlock in this workflow. Last piece, and this is the part most people skip. This workflow only works if it becomes a habit. We recommend 2 20-minute blocks daily, say 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Outside those windows, your inbox is closed. You don't peek, you don't react. You triage twice a day, batched, with AI doing the sorting and drafting. You write better replies because you're editing instead of writing from cold. Here's the compounding part. Every week of doing this is a week of reclaiming 45 minutes a day. Over a year, that's about 13 full working days back from one workflow. This is the first of 10 workflows in our free guide Beyond the Prompt. 10 of these, 1 per week. Link in the description. If you'd like the next workflow to land in your feed, subscribe. We publish one of these every Friday. Next week, turning every meeting into automatic action items without a note taker. Talk soon.